I'm Georgia, I'm in Year 10. My interest in robotics coding started in 2018 when I joined a VEX robotics team. I'm doing the KIBO challenge to further challenge myself with higher level programming. The skills I'll learn is how to program in Python, which is a new language to me. And what excites me about this challenge is that it's programming in a microgravity situation, not just on the ground.
My name is Ryan Falconer, I'm in Year 11. I've always been interested in robotics ever since I started 4 years ago with our school's VEX robotics programming and robotics competition. My teacher approached me and asked me to do the KIBO challenge, and I was like, yeah, so I'm here now. I'm hoping to learn skills such as teamwork, a lot of coding and communication. The thing that excites me the most about the KIBO challenge is the fact that I might be able to code a robot that's going to fly around in space or on the International Space Station.
I'm Mitch and I'm in Year 11, and my interest in robotics and coding came around back when I was in Year 7 4 years ago, when my science teacher, who is now the current VEX robotics teacher here, was promoting the Australian Nationals that was going to be held here at school, and she wanted volunteers. And I decided to volunteer, and just watching all the games got me really interested in how it all works and the way that the robots are built and all the coding behind it. So that's what really got me interested in the coding side and the robotics and the building in VEX and the robotics in general. The KIBO challenge is good fun because we're really enjoying it, and the coding's good fun, and it gives us a chance to see how well we work as a team, and it gives us a chance to gain new skills in it, like the coding and new teamwork skills, and allows us to work as a group and get everything done well. This challenge is quite exciting because it shows us what we can do, and it gives us a chance to potentially have our code go up to the International Space Station and have it actually be done up there, and it's very exciting to see that we could have the chance to do that.
Hi, I'm Rubik, and I'm currently a university student at Charles Sturt University. My interest in robotics coding came from VEX Robotics when I was a student and became into a mentor, and now I'm currently a VEX Robotics alumni. I decided to do the KIBO challenge because Marie sent me a message saying, would I like to come and mentor the younger students and just help them learn a lot more, and I thought I'd give it a shot. The skills I'll learn from this challenge is obviously a lot about coding, and also another key skill would be leadership. Just try and share that knowledge I know with the younger kids and help them learn. The thing that excites me about the KIBO challenge is you could actually get your code sent up to the International Space Station, and I think that's really cool.
So what exactly is the challenge that we have gotten ourselves into? It's the first KIBO robot programming challenge by the Japanese Space Agency and facilitated by One Giant Leap Australia. The scenario is that the Japanese KIBO module on the International Space Station had been hit by space junk, and they have to seal off the module. The only way to do this is to program Astrobee to go to the hole and use its laser beam to mend it.
We then have to program Astrobee to travel to the first QR code. We then scan the QR. This will then give us the X coordinate of the final target position, position 3. We then go to the second QR code to get the Y coordinate of position 3. The next QR code will give us the Z position of position 3, and finally the next QR code will give us the quaternions, which are the pitch, yaw and roll needed for our final destination of position 3. Once we arrive at position 3, Astrobee will fire a laser beam to fix the targeted hole, and we will save the International Space Station crew. All this will be completed in a simulated environment, but in August, one lucky team will get to apply their skills and knowledge on the real deal. Their codes will be sent to the real Astrobee on the International Space Station. We are hoping the skills we have learned in VEX robotics will put us in a good position to take Galen VEX into space.